everybody. I'm over here at my buddy Joe's house, and he's going to be showing me his greenhouse. I haven't seen it since I put the roof on it, and he's been working on it quite a bit over the past year, and he's got a whole bunch of neat stuff inside. So we're going to get a full tour of this greenhouse. I can't wait to see it.
This is my greenhouse. Mine and my roommate's Mike. I've been working on this for about a year. It started out small as a small raised bed hoop garden, and then now we have this.
Well, I love this door that we got here. This is an awesome door.
Yeah, no, we put a lot of thought into this, and we just wanted it to be big enough so we could do anything we wanted, whether we were bringing a lawnmower to park it in here for the winter, or because I have no garage here. And then also there's the stand behind loaders that you can stand on and ride in here, and they fit right in here, and I can load these beds up with topsoil, to less manual labor that way. This is the beginning of the heater pit.
Heater pit? Tell me about the heater pit.
This is a compost pile that's going to have pipe wrapped into it to figure-8 pattern. It's going to run into the greenhouse, bathtubs, water barrels with a pump it through the barrels into the pit, and that's going to create enough heat to keep this about 65-70 degrees all year long.
That is awesome.
This is going to be our outdoor garden area. This is where we're going to do sunflowers and corn, all those kinds of squash, pumpkins. We put these doors in so we can drive tractors in.
That's huge.
All the corrugated. On top, we use wiggle wire to put the farm fabric up on the roof. You got an auto fan. That auto turns on with the power, or with the heat in here. Set it to whatever temperature you want. And then we have all our Alexa stuff over there, the Dot, and all our sprinkler zones.
Let's go check out those sprinkler zones.
We have 4 separated outside sprinkler zones, but the majority is in here. This includes the lawn outside, flower beds outside, and 4 or 5 zones in the greenhouse that are controlled and watered by Alexa and the weather. We have a weather station outside that allows these to turn on and off depending on when water's needed. We brought all the pipe back here, at least 150 feet of trenching to here for power and water, and then well over 500 feet of trench for all the sprinkler zones.
Oh, nice. And this one, you're going to be all raised beds in here?
2 raised beds in here. This one's the first one. We're just trimming it out now, making it look nice. We can put our beer here while we're working, lean on it. We got the second one over here against the wall that we're going to build today and put right next to it.
Oh, very nice.
And then over here is going to be our potted plant section. We're going to have some shelves over here for starts. And this is where we're going to keep all our potted stuff, herbs and the such and like. We already have a bunch from our old garden that we tore out of the beds that were in here. We had 6 or 5 raised beds in here before, made out of the trees from the forest surrounding us. Now we're building our own stuff so it'll last forever.
Oh, nice. Looks like something I know of on my channel.
This? Oh yeah. It looks like it. But a lot of people do it this way. We've seen people put these walls up like we did and make the walls part of the bed rather than the beds in the middle, but we wanted to walk all the way around them so we can take care of them better.
Oh yeah, and these things are going to last forever.
Yes. And they're buried in the ground a foot or so. We built them above ground and just dug holes underneath it and let it settle and leveled it out to the height we want it so we don't have to bend over with our old butts in here.
Oh yeah, I know how it is getting old and your knees are starting to go, and whew.
Then somewhere eventually, once we get the heater going, we're going to try to do a geothermal heater where we're going to dig 13 feet straight down in 2 holes, run ventilation pipe into it with a fan. Now in the summer it'll cool it off in here and heat it up in here always to 55 degrees. So in the summer it'll cool it down for us as well, not just the vents and fans we have in here, but geothermal, letting the earth work.
Oh, nice. You plan on filling this one up this year and using it up, huh?
Yeah, by next month we're gonna, but we got 2 big boxes of landscaping fabric over there. We're gonna line these beds with landscaping fabric, fill it with cardboard underneath there, probably some type of compost or something not very hot, and then topsoil on top of it, plant it in there. And this whole place is getting landscape fabric, and we're putting pea gravel in here up to the level of the top 2x4 there to keep it drainage in here and drier.
I can't wait to see it when you get it all finished.
Me either.
So what type of material you got on the roofing?
This is from greenhousesupply.com, and it's a 4-year greenhouse fabric. It's guaranteed to stay for 4 years. It blocks almost all UV light, so you get only the good light in here for growing. You're not going to burn anything. We were in here with this up, and it was 90 degrees outside. We had our shirts off, didn't even get burned, not even a tan. Eventually, we're going to put in the beeswax temperature things over there to open for the air to come in and go straight through this thing. We have our exhaust fan up there, so that'll be good. We're gonna put 2 solar fans in on both sides of the greenhouse to keep the airflow going even when it's colder. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna try to get this thing done by the end of February, and hopefully we'll be in the farmer's market this year or next, depending on how all this goes.
Outstanding.
Gonna have a lot of food to sell. Still a lot of work to do, but hopefully we'll be putting seeds in the ground and starts in the ground into February, beginning of March.
Well, I'm going to bring you over a few of my starts. So.
Right, perfect. We'll put them in the ground like we did last year.
Okay. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.